Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to be doing a first impression kind of review on the new Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I also have the concealer here. I've never tried this before, weirdly enough. Like, this has been hyped up for like I don't even know how long. But I have the SuperSize version and then I also have the new foundation. So I have both of these in the shade 6, so C6 for the concealer and F6 for the foundation. I'm warning you now, I haven't slept in 2 days and I'm currently living off of coffee. So yeah, that's just the deal. So yeah, I'm going to be trying these on my skin. I do have oily skin, for any of you who are wondering. That came out weird. But I do have a few dry patches on my face at the moment because I've been suffering with some eczema. But yeah, if you want to see like how to do this eye look, also I'm in the middle of filming a tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I think it's beautiful, obviously not finished yet, but yeah, I thought I would test these out, show you what they look like and see, you know, if they're worth the hype, what it's all about, all the good stuff. So, as I said, I have them in the shade 6. I thought this was a good match for me, but just by looking on the swatches online, so I guess we're going to zoom in and see what we think of this foundation. Okay, so first a tiny bit about the foundation. It is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and it claims to have a demi-matte finish with a medium buildable coverage. But yeah, it says it's a full coverage, but obviously I've seen everywhere that it's kind of like a medium to buildable. So we'll see how that, you know, pans out. There are 24 shades. I'm trying to remember all this information because I've not slept for like 48 hours. But yeah, it comes in this beautiful bottle. It's like frosted glass. It's really like nice and weighty and it's rose gold. You only get 23 ml of product in this foundation. However, a standard bottle is 30 ml, so you are losing a bit of product compared to a usual foundation. However, it is only £9, and if it is really good coverage, then you might not need as much as you would a normal foundation. So with, you've probably seen this already, the applicator is a big doe foot, which I personally love these. My favourite foundation, the Rimmel Breathable foundation, is a doe foot applicator and I have no issues with them. So if I zoom you in on my skin, you can see for the most part my skin's pretty clear. I just have kind of like areas of pigmentation and discoloration and that sort of thing that I like to kind of smoothen out, cover up. And also my skin is always a lot paler on my face than on the rest of me, so I like to, like, you know, even out the colour of my face to my body. But yeah, I'm just going to shake this up and I'm going to use it on both sides of my face. I'm going to use a brush on one side and a sponge on the other side just to see which I prefer. I usually prefer a sponge, but you know, we never know. I might prefer a brush for this one time. This is like a massive doe foot, but like, ooh. I think the colour match is alright. As I said, I've got F6. I just kind of guessed online. Okay, so initially you can see that's good coverage. It blends nicely. It's a very nice colour match. I think I've done it very well, considering I had to choose this online. It feels very like velvety almost, like it's blending really smoothly. Feels really nice on the skin. I would definitely say it has a medium coverage. Medium to full. That you can still see my freckles, but like I had a little blemish here and that's been covered up. A lot of the discoloration around my nose has been kind of blurred. But I wouldn't say it's full coverage because like you can see above my eyebrows still got a little blemish and you can still see some of my freckles, but as you can see, like the difference between this side and this side, this is a lot smoother and more even. I'm then just going to use my sponge on this side. As I said, I usually prefer a sponge just because it just blends foundation out nicely. I prefer like the smoothness of it and like the lack of streaks and how it just kind of like pushes the product into your skin. Yeah, like automatically I prefer this side. I almost feel like it has more coverage on this side. I could just be imagining that, but like I definitely prefer this side. So again, I would still say this is a medium buildable coverage. I'm going to try and build it up on my nose a bit. And just on my cheeks. I just spurted it onto my lip. Yeah, I would definitely say it's buildable. I really like this. Again, I would agree that it is a demi-matte finish. Please excuse my dog, she's being so annoying. It's like really early in the morning, so I'm usually playing with her right now. But I'm filming. But yeah, I really like that. I think it looks really good. But yeah, I'm going to try the concealer now. I'm not going to try the concealer on camera just because I don't have enough battery space, to be honest. But I'll be back to show you my finished skin and finished like thoughts. So this is the final close-up of my skin if I turn the brightness down. I think it looks really good, like compared to my other foundations I've used. I really like that. So again, this is a final look with the concealer on as well, just under my eyes, and then the foundation everywhere else. I really like this combination. So I've finished the rest of my face, and I think my current first impression final conclusion is I think it is more of a matte finish than a like satiny finish. If you have drier skin, I either wouldn't recommend this foundation or make sure you prep your skin accordingly with lots of moisturising, like glowy, hydrating products. Otherwise, this will just crease on you. And yeah, I can see it's kind of accentuating my pores around my nose, but I didn't use a pore filling primer, so I could like, you know, combat that. I think it looks really flawless. I think it's a really good coverage. I think it blends really nicely. The colour selection is amazing. But yeah, I think other than the fact it's quite like matte, which I'm not used to quite a heavy matte foundation, I've been using more glowy ones. I think this is an amazing foundation, especially for the price point, and I would definitely recommend going to try this out. So yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Sorry I was so rushed. I need a nap. I'm so tired. That's all. So yeah, I will see you all soon. Bye!